Hello, Yes Finders. In this video, we provide a short affirmation and self-reflection questions to help you turn pressure into fuel. If this is your first time here, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you will be notified whenever we upload a video. The pressure that surrounds me on a daily basis can either be a source of stress or an agent for change. With my positive determination, I choose to turn pressure into the fuel needed to take my productivity to the next level. When the pressure is on, I work with diligence to accomplish my goal. I see pressure as a spark that lights my fire. The absence of pressure makes it easy for me to fall lackadaisical. Turning on the heat causes me to work with passion and resolve. The demands placed on me by deadlines motivate me to pace myself in such a way that I am able to complete all my work in a timely manner. I rise up to the challenge of meeting deadlines with excellence and without sacrificing the quality of my work. Pressure increases my focus because I know I cannot afford to waste time. I zero in on the task at hand so I may complete it efficiently. When faced with the fuel of pressure, I minimize distractions to avoid falling behind. Pressure helps me stay organized. I prioritize my tasks effectively so I may complete the most important task first before spending time on other things. I see pressure as a challenge that I am more than capable of overcoming. My attitude is so positive that even something meant for harm turns into an advantage for me. Today, I choose to function with excellence in the face of pressure. I am grateful for the demands placed on me because they are what keep my work exciting. Here are some reflection questions to ponder on as you carry on along life's journey. 1. How can I turn pressure into fuel? 2. Why is it necessary to prioritize when under pressure? And 3. What can I do to be more productive when under pressure? We are the Yes Finders. Please like, share, and comment. Take care of yourself. See you next time.